Here's how we fit everything we use to walk across America into this push cart.
Compared to backpacking, this is glamping. We have absolutely everything we need and more. The number one question we always get asked is there anything we can get you? Is there anything else you need? But we are 100% self-sufficient. We have chairs, we have camping gear, we have cooking supplies, we have emergency medical gear. I mean, I'm talking something catastrophic could happen and we have what we need. We have everything we need for the dogs. We have emergency medical stuff for the dogs. We have postcards, we have books, we have coffee, we have safety supplies, we have snacks and hairbrushes and literally everything you need all fits right here on our cart, Carl. Sometimes when you see people going on these adventures, they have a vehicle following behind them as a support team. We are just 100% ourselves, us and the 2 dogs. Of course, we have everyone who helps us along the way and our social media friends. Couldn't do it without you.
And there you have it. Honestly, even we're surprised we can get everything to fit into this cart. And sometimes it doesn't pack together well, but it always fits.